Hey there, food lovers! It's almost that time of year again, gifting season. Finding the perfect gift for the foodie in your life can be tricky. Cooks, bakers, and everyone in between all appreciate the same thing: delicious food and drink. From fancy olive oils to top-notch kitchen gadgets, I've got you covered. So grab a cup of something cozy, settle in, and let's find the perfect gift together. Brightland's olive oils and vinegars are top-notch. This gift box is like a party in a bottle. It comes with their alive and awake olive oils, perfect for drizzling on just about anything. And let's not forget the raw vinegars. They add such a lovely tang to salads and marinades. This gift set also includes 2 jars of their small batch honey. To top it all off, you get a handy spout for the oils and a mini whisk. Talk about a complete package. If you really want to impress the cook in your life, this Sous Vide cooker is the way to go. It's one of those gadgets that seems fancy, but is actually super easy to use. It makes the most tender, flavorful meat and veggies you'll ever have. Plus, it's a total game changer for meal prep. No more dry chicken breasts or overcooked veggies. My latest cookbook, Home is Where the Eggs Are, makes a darn good gift. It's filled with cozy, comforting recipes perfect for everyday meals and special occasions. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves to cook, bake, and gather around the table with loved ones. A KitchenAid stand mixer is a kitchen icon for a reason. This particular model is extra special because it comes with a gorgeous walnut bowl. It's the kind of gift that will be treasured for years to come. This mixer makes baking a breeze, from whipping up fluffy frosting to kneading bread dough. It's a baker's dream come true. A Le Creuset Dutch oven is a kitchen workhorse you use for everything. It's an investment piece, but it's worth every penny. You can use it to make soups, stews, braises, bread, you name it. It's a classic gift that any home cook would be thrilled to receive. A good knife is a cook's best friend, and this Misen chef knife is one of the best I've ever used. It's incredibly sharp, well-balanced, and comfortable to hold. It's the kind of knife that will make you actually enjoy prepping veggies. Caraway cookware is seriously the best I've ever used. Their frying pans are non-stick, heat evenly, and come in the prettiest colors. If you're looking for a practical and stylish gift, look no further than a Caraway Frying Pan. This grill pan makes it easy to recreate a fun, interactive Korean BBQ dining experience at home. It's a fun, unique gift that's sure to be a hit with any foodie. Standing in the kitchen for hours can be tough on your feet and back. This cushy kitchen mat provides support and cushioning, making long cooking sessions more comfortable. It's a practical gift that any home cook will appreciate. A salad spinner might not seem exciting, but it's a game changer. It makes washing and drying lettuce and herbs so much easier and faster. It's a practical gift that any salad lover will appreciate. For the friend who loves to entertain, this book is a must-have. It's packed with gorgeous photos and creative ideas for stunning cheese boards, snack boards, and even dessert boards. This mini skillet is perfect for making individual desserts or serving dips and sauces. It's a cute and practical gift that any home cook would love. For the adventurous foodie, this soup dumpling kit is a fun and unique gift. It comes with everything you need to make delicious, broth-filled dumplings at home. If a full-size Dutch oven is too much, this smaller sauteuse is a great alternative. It's versatile and comes in all those gorgeous Le Creuset colors. This Icelandic salt gift box is a unique and thoughtful gift. It comes with 4 different types of salt, each with its own unique flavor profile. This hot honey is the perfect combination of sweet and spicy. It's a pantry staple that you'll find yourself reaching for again and again. For the organized foodie, this storage set is a dream come true. It comes with reusable silicone bags, stretchy lids, and glass bowls, all designed to make storing and transporting food a breeze. These chili oils are perfect for adding flavor and heat to everything from noodles to eggs to dumplings. They're made with all-natural ingredients and have a complex, nuanced flavor. For the pizza lover, this Uni pizza oven is the ultimate gift. It makes it easy to create restaurant-quality pizzas at home in just minutes. This French rolling pin is made from beautiful hardwood and has a comfortable tapered shape. It's the kind of tool that will last a lifetime and become a cherished part of any baker's kitchen. This machine-washable rug makes cleanup a breeze. Plus, it has a cushioned pad that makes standing for long periods much more comfortable. For the aspiring baker, this set has everything they need to get started with making artisan bread. It's a fun and rewarding gift that will encourage them to get creative in the kitchen. These Hedley & Bennett smocks are stylish, durable, and come in a variety of colors and patterns. They have pockets for days, which is essential for holding all those essential kitchen tools. This bakeware set is made from Caraway's signature non-stick ceramic coating, so it's incredibly easy to clean. It comes in a variety of gorgeous colors to match any kitchen decor. This Cuisinart handheld mixer is powerful, lightweight, and easy to use. It comes with a variety of attachments for everything from whipping cream to kneading dough. For the foodie who loves to collect recipes, this beautiful journal is the perfect gift. It has space to write down recipes, make notes, and even paste in photos. This griddler is a must-have for anyone who loves grilled cheese, paninis, or even just a good old-fashioned grilled burger. It has interchangeable plates for grilling, griddling, and even making waffles. This rice cooker makes perfect rice every time and has settings for different types of rice. It's a splurge-worthy gift that any rice lover would be thrilled to receive. For the foodie who appreciates high-quality meat, a subscription to Porter Road is the perfect gift. They deliver sustainably sourced, pasture-raised meat right to your door. These olive wood cheese boards are simply stunning and perfect for serving cheese, charcuterie, or even just as a decorative piece. They're a unique and thoughtful gift that any foodie would appreciate. These charcuterie board earrings are fun, quirky, and sure to start a conversation. They're a unique and affordable gift that any foodie would love. This pasta dinner gift basket is the perfect way to treat someone to a restaurant-quality meal at home. It comes with everything they need to make a delicious pasta dinner, from the pasta itself to the sauce to the cheese. This charcuterie and cheese collection from Harry and David is packed with an assortment of gourmet meats, cheeses, crackers, and other treats. It's the perfect gift for a special occasion, or for when you really want to impress someone. Well, there you have it, folks. My top 33 gift ideas for all the food lovers in your life. From practical kitchen tools to indulgent treats, there's something here for everyone. Now go forth and spread some foodie cheer. And don't forget to have fun with it. Happy holidays, happy birthdays, or just happy every day. And remember, the most important ingredient in any gift is love.